alphabet. Capital A. Draw a right slant line between the first red line and second blue line. From the top of the right slant line, draw a left slant line to meet the second blue line. Draw a sleeping line to join these two slant lines. This is capital A. Small a. Draw a right curve between the two blue lines. Now, close the right curve by drawing a standing line between the two blue lines. This is small a.
A for apple. A, P, P, L, E, apple. A for ant. A, N, T, ant. A for aeroplane. A, E, R, O, P, L, A, N, E, aeroplane. A for arrow. A, R, R, O, W, arrow.
Capital B. Draw a standing line between first red line and second blue line. From top of the standing line, draw a left curve to middle of the standing line. From there, draw another left curve to reach the end of the standing line. This is capital B. Small b. Draw a standing line between first red line and second blue line. Draw a left curve from middle of the standing line to the end of the standing line. This is small b.
B for book. B, O, O, K, book. B for ball. B, A, L, L, ball. B for bag. B, A, G, bag. B for boy. B, O, Y, boy.
capital C. Draw a right curve between the first red line and second blue line. This is capital C. Small c. Draw a right curve between the two blue lines. This is small c.
C for cat. C A T cat. C for clock. C L O C K clock. C for car. C A R car. C for cow. C O W cow.
Capital D. Draw a standing line between first red line and second blue line. Now, draw a left curve from top of the standing line to the end of the standing line. This is capital D. Small d. Draw a standing line between first red line and second blue line. Now, come to the left side of the standing line and draw right curve from the middle of the standing line to the bottom of the standing line. This is small d.
D for doll. D O L L doll. D for dog. D O G dog. D for drum. D R U M drum. D for duck. D U C K duck.
Capital E. Draw a standing line between the first red line and second blue line. Now, draw a sleeping line from top of the standing line and draw another sleeping line from the middle of the standing line. Finally, draw the other sleeping line from the end of the standing line. This is Capital E. Small e. Draw a small sleeping line in between the two blue lines from left to right. From there, draw a right curve by touching the left end of the sleeping line and to reach the second blue line. This is small e.
E for elephant. E, L, E, P, H, A, N, T. Elephant. E for eye. E, Y, E, eye. E for engine. E, N, G, I, N, E. Engine. E for egg. E, G, G, egg.